Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Vritti Vijay and I love making YouTube videos. I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. So as you have read the title, so today's video is going to be an everyday makeup look using minimum products as much as I could, and it's gonna be very beginner friendly, and that's my aim, to create makeup look which everyone can do, because I know some of my friends as well who doesn't know much about makeup. So I would love to do a makeup for beginner kind of video. So that's what I'm doing today. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So make sure that whenever you are doing makeup, your base should be moisturized. I have moisturized my face using the Neutrogena moisturizer. It's not with me here, but I've already moisturized my skin. So for this look, I want it to be really like skin like look. So you can use BB creams and CC creams as well, which are available, but I don't really like them. So I'm gonna use concealer. So I have this Makeup Revolution London concealer and this Maybelline Age Divine one, and I'm gonna mention the shades down below in the description box so you could check them out. So I'm gonna basically put this concealer like under my eye, and also where I have spots on my face because I have a lot of marks. I'm gonna conceal them. I'm gonna use the second concealer as well because it's more like my skin tone. So basically I've dotted this all over my face where I have marks, and almost all over my face because it gives a very skin like coverage, so I'm not like a problem. It's gonna cake me up, that's not gonna happen. So yeah, I have a beauty blender to dab my thing because I feel like beauty blender blends your makeup more nicely and gives a natural finish. So I'm going to use a beauty blender. Don't forget your neck because your face should look like your neck. It's not gonna look different, so make sure that there's same thing going on. So I'm done with blending all the concealer in. Take your time and blend your makeup nicely, like all over your neck, your eyelids, everything. It should be same and it should be blended very nicely and seamlessly. So next, when you have put the concealer, it should be settled on, like set with something like a compact or a loose powder. So I don't really use compacts and all. So I have this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I used it to set it under eye. I'm a very normal skin person, so I just get a little crease under my eyes, so it looks very ashy, so it doesn't look that great. So you have to powder your face. That's very essential to not make your makeup look bad and very grayish sort of thing. So you have to powder your face. Firstly, I'm gonna dot this all over my face, like here, pat it on so that it gives me a little extra coverage. Now I'm gonna pat this under my eye. Even around T-zones which gets oily, it's very good for that. So now my base looks pretty good and seamless and very natural looking, if you could see nicely. So now I'm gonna go to my brows, like go towards eyes and everything. So for brows, I really don't do much, but if you have like very thin brows, so you could definitely fill it in, but I really have thick brows, so I just have to brush them up. So I'm using this spoolie which is mostly given in the back of brow pencils, and I'm gonna brush my eyebrows. So for eyes, it's totally optional for you. You can wear kajal and you can wear an eyeliner, whatever you want, or you can wear even an eyeshadow. So I'm gonna put eyeshadow. You can use any palette. I'm not saying to use this one. There are many palettes available in the Indian market now. So you have to use any sort of like brownish shade, and even you can use your contour and bronzers which are used to sculpt your face. You can use that even on your eyelids. So like I have this palette which is from Makeup Revolution. I have used it a lot, and you can use these brown shades. So I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna tell you how to use it. So I'm gonna use this sort of shade, brown shade, over my eyelids, which will give it a nice look, like a brownish eye look. So if you could see, it changes your look a little bit, like you look more good when you put eyeshadow. I feel that it's totally optional if you don't want to put eyeshadow, so you could put eyeliner, any colorful eyeliner, or maybe black simple eyeliner and some kajal, whatever you want. I'm gonna use this brown shade. So that's how my eye looks, very natural looking, and it just changes your look. Eyeshadow totally changes your look. So now it's optional, as I've told you n number of times, but I'll do mascara because I freaking love mascara. Like, I'm gonna do, like, firstly curl my lashes and then put on mascara because my lashes are really small, so I really want that curve to do that. So I'm gonna curl my lashes. So I've curled my lashes and now I'm gonna put on mascara because I think it changes your looks. Like, I love mascara, so that's compulsory right now. So curling lashes just changes your look. It gives even an illusion of wearing an eyeliner, and I love that. Like, my lashes popping out is what I love. So like right now the face looks a little bland, so to give it a little like shading and all, so I'm gonna use this palette and use this shade to little contour, like a very light minimal contour from here to right here. It's gonna be very light. Always make sure you use this sort of angle brush, like from here to here, so that you could, you know, contour nicely like this. It's gonna help you in contouring. And also, if you want good jawline, you could even contour your jaws like this. I'm done with that and face looks a little more structured, I would say. So now to add a pinch of pink color and the blushy color, I'm gonna use this blush. This is a tint, so you just don't even have to use brush, and you could use your hands as well. And if you don't have brushes and all, you can obviously use your hands for all of this thing instead of the contour. I guess you could use your hands to put eyeshadow, to put concealer, to do anything. So your hands are multitasking thing. So I'm gonna use very little product because this is really pigmented, like a dot of that, and on my chin because I love my chin also like popping pink, like so. I look like a joker right now, but it's gonna blend very easily. And if it's overboard, you can use powder over your face to, you know, just settle this out if that's a lot on your face. Now you see how it looks much better, and the face looks more happy and young. It changes your look like in seconds, and I love the power of blush. Next step is totally optional to use it. So I know most of the people don't even own illuminator because they don't know like what is the use. So illuminator is used to give a natural glow to your face like an highlighter, but it's in a liquid form. So it's totally optional. If you want a little tint of glow, you could obviously put this on, but I'm not gonna put this because most of the people don't really have that, and I want to make it very beginner friendly, so I'm not gonna use this. But this is an optional thing. You could definitely use it if you have. All the face is done, and now lips are left. So like for lips, you could use any sort of pink lipstick or pink lip gloss, whatever you want. So I'm gonna use lip balm because I really don't like using lipsticks and all. I just don't know, my lips are not made for that stuff. So I'm gonna put this lip balm. I love this Body Shop lip balm on my lips. It gives a little tint. See that this this lip balm is really moisturizing, and it gives a little tint of gloss and pink color, so that I love. Like also, if you have like any sort of cheek or lip tint like this, so you could even put it on a lip, and it's gonna give a very natural pinky color if you don't like lipsticks like me. But always you can go for lipsticks. And also, if you would have seen my last two videos, I was creating the same look with the brown shadow and the same thing with a little bit of highlighter and some eyeliner or something. That was my look. This is my go-to look. So I hope that you like this video, this concept of everyday makeup look. I wanted to do a makeup video since ages, and I created this look which I freaking love, and I hope that you will also love. and I'm gonna mention all the products in the description box, what I love and what I have used, and some additional products that I love and are available online as well. So yeah, so I hope that you will like this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, subscribe it, and stay safe, stay happy. Bye guys.